Can lottery defeater software help to win the lottery multiple times? How does lottery defeater software work? Is it a trustworthy lottery system? Can it help me make money? Inside this lottery defeater software review, I will be walking you through what the lottery defeater software is all about, how it works, the benefits of using the software, the bad sides, and a whole lot of other things you need to know in order for you to make an informed decision on whether it will help you or not. But before we get the review started, if you finish watching this review video and you finally decide that you are going to buy the lottery defeater software to make money for yourself, then I will recommend that you click the first link in the description of this video to get it at a discounted price. With that said, let's get started. What exactly is the lottery defeater software? Winning and losing are always a part of whatever task that we take up. It is even applicable to some of the games and challenges that we take up in life. Everyone must have heard about the lottery and how it works. Most people say and believe that winning a lottery needs a huge luck factor. A part of it is actually true, because in a lottery you just need to follow a few tricks and put in all your faith that your number should be the winning number. The results can be anything, but a lottery is always fun as well as an adventurous game to be played. As I said, the lottery is a game that requires you to take an amount of calculated risk, because you will not know whether you will win or lose until to take a step forward. But most people lose in the lottery because they don't really know how to handle the game and take it forward. If you are one of those people who would love to invest your time and effort into the lottery game, but don't have an idea as to how to begin and what to do, then here is a wonderful opportunity that you can grab. Lottery defeater software teaches you all the steps that can help you win a lottery game easily without losing. Lottery defeater software is software that works with simple mathematical calculations to help you win a lottery game without losing. This helps you to reach the hidden treasures in a lottery and help you win it. Every lottery game works with a part of the luck and the calculated risks that you take, but you do not have to blindly do it. Lottery defeater software will guide you as to what to do when to do it. Winning and losing are both parts of any game, but with lottery defeater software, you will just be winning all the lottery games that you are in, as you will clearly know the winning strategy. The amount of money that you invest in the purchase of this software is going to benefit you with insane amounts of consistent profits, and all you need to do is use your time wisely and learn all the steps carefully. How does the lottery defeater software works? Lottery defeater software teaches you many strategies and tricks that you can use to win a lottery other than mathematical calculations. With the help of this software, you will never again lose a lottery. Lottery defeater software works by the theories of permutations and combinations, and helps you to easily choose the number that can make you win the lottery. It does the number prediction by using the previous results and astrological estimations, and then calculates what number could be your winning number. It even tracks the winning numbers of the previous 10 years and breaks down their winning secrets, and strategies followed by them so that you can use them for your lottery game. Who is this software for? If you are looking for ways to improve your financial status and earn a crazy sum of money each day, then winning the lottery consistently can take you there, and lottery defeater software can make you win all the lottery games that you are playing. For all those dreamers with no money to fulfill it, lottery defeater software is here to make your dreams come true. Also, if you have been playing lottery and you keep losing, just like the name, lottery defeater software will help you defeat the system and bring you good money that you can use to flex and fund your lifestyle. These are the benefits of using lottery defeater software. The first thing that I love about this software is that it is very reliable and trustworthy, because you are not going to lose anything ever. Every penny that you invest in this program is going to earn you unstoppable profits. Secondly, it can be used easily by anyone, even if you are using the lottery for the first time ever. You can. All you are supposed to do is follow the steps and ideas given in this software. Another thing I love is that you can use this software on a laptop, tablet or smartphone as long as you have a strong internet connection. And also, this software comes with 60 days money back guarantee. Things I don't like about the lottery defeater software. Firstly, you need to have enough patience to win your lottery with the help of this program. And then, you can get access to this software only when you have an internet connection. My personal testimony: why choose lottery defeater software? My life was at a complete low level and I was literally clueless as to what to do to bring it up. Everything was falling apart until I found lottery defeater software. Through this software, I was able to get back all the money that I had spent in bad investments and the ones that I never earned. I gained new hope in my life with the help of this program, and I can assure you that this can change your life like it changed mine. In conclusion, earning more money and living the life of your dreams is everyone's ultimate goal in life. With Lottery Defeater software by your side, you can reach that place effortlessly even if you are entirely new to the concept of lottery. No more sitting in the darkness and waiting for the light. It's time to upgrade your life with Lottery Defeater software. Get access to the software now and start living life like how you want to. Personally, I will recommend you go and get the Lottery Defeater software and test it out for yourself, but remember, I put a link in the description below to a page where you can buy it for the cheapest price right now.